Hello, today we will guide you through how to convert Ryanair currency. In this walkthrough, you'll learn how to change the currency that prices are shown in on the Ryanair website by adjusting the country or region setting. This is helpful if you're comparing fares across markets, booking for someone abroad, or simply prefer to see prices in a familiar currency. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official Ryanair website. Once the homepage loads, turn your attention to the very top right corner of the screen. You should see a small country indicator, often displayed as a flag, a country name, or a regional code. This control determines both the regional experience and the currency you'll see across the site. Click that country indicator to open a drop-down menu. A panel will appear showing a list of countries or regions that Ryanair serves. This is where you choose the market you want to browse in. Take a moment to scan the list, and if there is a search field, you can type the country name to find it faster. When you've located the one you want, select it with a single click. After you make your selection, the site will update to reflect that region. Prices throughout Ryanair's pages, such as flight search results, fare breakdowns, seat selection, baggage options, and checkout, will now display in the currency associated with the country you chose. For example, if you select a country in the Eurozone, you'll see amounts in euros. If you pick a country that uses a different currency, you'll see that currency instead. This setting affects only how prices are displayed. It does not change your actual travel details. If the prices don't appear to switch right away, give the page a moment to refresh. A quick manual refresh can also nudge the update through. Keep in mind that some regional content may adjust alongside currency, and promotional offers can vary by market. Also, your bank or card issuer may apply its own exchange rate and fees when you pay, so the final charge can differ slightly from the displayed amount. You can return to the same country dropdown at any time to switch to a different region and currency. It's a simple way to make price comparisons easier and ensure you're viewing fares in the format that's most comfortable for you. That's it. You've successfully changed how Ryanair displays currency by selecting the country or region that suits your needs. Thanks for watching.